Speaker sir, I rise to support the cart motion and oppose the demands. Speaker sir, when I start with demand number 59, I want to remind the Honorable Minister, last session I had got assurance from the Honorable Minister Ani Babelek Sikeran, and he had said that I had done so LOP and you had told me that I have given justice to that LOP, and you had promised me a lot of things. In pollution, no, I'm just saying. No, factories, because I'm just coming to that point. Pollution in Kokoli industrial state, and all the discussions are there. And when I'm talking about factories and pollution of hazardous gas, though it is in Kokoli industrial state, Maka Kapia Madarsang Omgalo touching journeying up, and J industries take it, but also 70% take 30%. My vote म्हणजे मगेले लोक मगेली केपेंची जनता इथे जो भोगताय जे पोल्यूशन जे वेस्ट हेंगे वयता ते सगळे आमगेले केपेंच्या मतदारसंघात आता fields are getting spoiled, लोकां पांय कुसताय सगळे जाता. And it was promised to me last factories and जेन्ना जातले pollution बंद करत म्हणून. Because now it's almost 6-7 months, no action has been taken. So I just want to no, I'm just saying. But
anything pertaining to environment.
Last time,
what are we talking about pollution here?
Speaker sir, I'm just saying this demand what I had said to fulfill last time regarding this hazardous gas and waste which is coming from Konkani, nothing has been done. So means I just want to remind out. No problem. Speaker sir, now again my putun and putun kada. Kida could tell all do it. Speaker sir, this is the main thing what I want to bring to your notice regarding this gases and waste which is coming from that industrial state. Speaker sir, when I speak about demand on 65, stray cattle, and we have a group, group, and one prominent group which is formed in Cape, citizens. Every time the group are stray cattle, what mess they do on the shops, on the roads, accidents, the group are eat as they. And there are pound keepers, I don't know, who are kiti hai, the kam kota na kota. Government is paying them salary, sogli bore ha. Ami zonwara gunya korpaina, they are called animals. But Muni's je lai, department and Muni's pound keeper bine jo lai, tenka care give pak, dhanda pak, gaushala jai. We are paying them good initiative. Sarkar and gaushala kela good initiative. But though they maintain gaushalas, tengele track do the pound keepers do their duty. हम जानवरां blame को दाय, सुनियां blame को दाय मुंडो, okay, dogs part side, but cows, stray cattle, all these pound keepers, तंगले detail तंगले audits जाओ पाते हैं, what they have done, what they are doing. To my knowledge, almost 6-7 I think pound keepers are there as Cape municipality, but I don't know what job they are doing. On that group, I get every day messages saying that the whole town is dirty, accidents are there. Partying kon ek accident zalo, even now ek side paralyzed and accidents in Cape. So these are the things what the government has to take. Jobs create sogol ko dai, but that audit na kon kit ko da kona hobaru na responsibility kona na. Speaker sir, when we talk about dogs, a dog man zada, I kali ek sogol saile because I have a place in Benauli hotel, I think like Wadi Beach. Within a month, 1 month, almost 2 major cases are जे एकले लोकल गोंयकाराक आनी एक ट्युरिस्टाक ऑलमोस्ट सुण्यानी 10-12 ड्रॅग करून तांकां उदका म्हणून वयल्ले एंड देन लोकल्स केम एंड दे वर तांकां रेस्क्यू केली. सो इट ब्रिंग्स अ बॅड नेम टू गोवा बिकॉज इतले बरोबर ट्युरिस्ट येतात गोंयकारांक एंड वी कॅनॉट कंट्रोल दीस मेजॉरिटी ऑफ दीस डॉग्स विच आर देर ऑन द बीच ट्युरिस्टीक सायट. इट इज अ फेलियर ऑन द गव्हर्मेंट्स पाथ. सो I feel that the government should take something corrective measures to see that this stray dog maintenance are born zapak. Speaker sir, आता jenna uloita we have a muddama ullekh hota last assembly ko nikalne ek veterinary clinic am gele and there is one Dr. Natasha Muna. That clinic or center is on the first floor Cape. Ek single studio as kit kai dilo ahate ka. And last 2 days what I came to know there is no electricity. Power failures are PC, sogol gele. Light una. Just keep a note and that is on the first floor. Kona sunia, kona pet sangine the first floor or somebody. So called electricity chane ek barik thing ek office ha. This has to be shifted at the earliest फर्स्ट सेकंड फ्लोरार घेवन थिंग वचोन करपाचें एक सेंटर घालपा जायो and it is there for so many years now, no one is bothered about it. They have to give at least like 100 square meter एक बरो place दी तांकां 50 square meter on the first floor. How they will work? This doctor is working इतलें कोण तें तरी पसून ती बाबली Dr. Natasha, she is doing a good job, but I think so government has to be sensitive and get this thing done. Speaker sir, when we talk about आमगेले demand 66 आमगेले फिशिंग कम्युनिटी आनी गोंयकार वी आर फेमस शीत कोळी आनी आमकां जे नुस्तें आहा तें it is famous and lot of Goans foreigners or tourists come because of fish, but जे ट्रेडिशनल फिशरमॅन आहाय ते आमगेले हांव ओल्ड फिशरमॅना उलयना जे ट्रेडिशनल कित्याक म्हगे मतदारसंघाक जावं बेतूल पोस्तांवाडो आमगेले एक पागी समाज आहा नुवें आहा साळारी आहा हे तीन कडेन आमकां सारके मूळ गोंयकार नुस्तेकार भावंक मेळटाय बट तांकां बेजीक फेसिलिटीज नाय आज साळारी मोटिंग आगोंदा विच इज आमगेलो ऑनरेबल स्पीकर आहा ते गेले आनी म्हगे मतदारसंघ इट इज जस्ट दॅट बॉर्डर ब्रीज जाली काणकोणा पळय ब्रिजी येयल्या केप्यां पडटा थिंगा रस्त्यार ते बबळी बायलो नुस्त्या विकताय आय मेनी टायम्स ऑनरेबल मिनिस्टर पावलो एक फंक्शना थिंगा तो जॅकेट्स बीन कितें दिवपाक पावलो तूं आनी इट वॉज प्रॉमीस आय हॅव पूट अ एस्टिमेट जाला दोनी सायडीन रिटेनिंग वॉल बांदपा ब्रिजीचे त्या सायडीन एक एक्सिडंट जाला आनी जालें थिंगा एक्सिडंट हे लोकांक हे आपल्या रिस्कार घेवन आमकां हें जेवण नुस्त्या दिताय दोयऱ्या वचोन पयलीं फर्स्ट रिस्क दोयऱ्या वचोन हाडपाक आमी ते नुस्त्या 5 रुपये म्हणटाय बट वॉट रिस्क दे टेक टू वेंचर इन टू द ओशन एंड गेट इट इज अ बीग आमकां एक मोठपण सो म्हाका सदां ऑनरेबल मिनिस्टरान हे लोकांक चड कोण हांव सांगता की साळारी जे आमगेले रस्त्यार बसताय तांकां एक पर्मनंट थिंगा करची एक जागो दिवचो आनी तांकां एक बरें एक विथ डिग्निटी दे कॅन सेल दियार थिंग्स कित्याक आमकां पडोन गेल ना एक्सिडंट जालो म्हणटकीर मागीर कोण येता पुलीस येता पंचनामा कोदयता आनी जालें थिंगा सो म्हाका सदां ऑनरेबल मिनिस्टरान हेंका जाग्यांक साळारी हे भावांक तांकां तांकां कितें जाय ते हकाचे वस्तू लायक बेजीक थिंग्स लायक जॅकेट्स वॉट एवर हें तांकां दिचें सेम थिंग इन बेतूल पोस्तांवाडो थिंगाय आमगेले थोडे पागी भाव आहाय तांकांय थिंगा जेटी वर रॅम्प ना सारकी ना दे आर डुईंग बाय देयर ओन सेल्फ ऑल दीस ट्रेडिशनल फिशरमॅन आम व्हड व्हड मनशांक सबसिडी दिताय सगळे कोताय LED फिशींग जाता हे नुस्त्या माताय ते जोणट्या वयताय बट नीज गोंयकार जे आमगेले मूळ नुस्तेकार आहाय तांकां आजून कांय मेळना तेंचे सगळो अन्याय जाता हें म्हाका सदां सरकार हॅज टू टेक स्टेप्स हें तरी आम नुस्त्या तरी मेळना जाल्यार म्हाका सांग हे गोंयकारांक व्हड व्हड ट्रॉलर ओनर एकलो 10-15-20 ट्रॉलर घेवन आहाय तांकां सगळे सपोर्ट कोताय बट बारीक नुस्तेकारांक कोण सपोर्ट करना सो म्हाका दिसता हेजेर मिनिस्टरान दखल घेवची आनी हें आमगे गोंयकारपण म्हणटा सांबाळचें थँक्यू स्पीकर
तुम्ही पळयतात GNH.